Stop wasting time with outdated LPG systems. Learn how cutting-edge technology can revolutionize your energy operations. Did you know the latest advancements in LPG loading and unloading systems are not just about speed but about precision and safety as well? First off, these systems utilize automated control mechanisms that drastically reduce human error and enhance operational safety. Imagine transferring thousands of liters of LPG with just the push of a button. Next, let's talk efficiency. Advanced metering technology ensures every drop of LPG is accounted for, minimizing waste and maximizing your return on investment. But how does this impact real-world operations? In industries ranging from automotive to manufacturing, these high-efficiency systems cut down loading times by up to 50%, boosting productivity and reducing downtime. So, whether you're in distribution or production, upgrading to a high-tech LPG loading system isn't just an option, it's essential for staying competitive in today's fast-paced market. Stop wasting time with outdated LPG systems. Learn